Hi, this is Natalie. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install SQLite database where you will import OpenStreetMap featureless data for use in QGIS. First, you want to go to SQLite.org to the download page, and you will find the binary for your system. So I have Windows, a 64-bit processor, and I will download the SQLite DLL file as well as the SQLite tools. So download both of those. I already have mine downloaded. And next we will unnest them and create a folder. Go to your C drive and create a folder called SQLite, and then you will put the two downloaded folders in this folder. And now you're going to unnest the contents of the folders and put them into the main folder right here. So let me show you, for example. So these two files you're going to copy and you're going to paste them right here. Same with this folder. Copy those three and then paste them here in your main folder. And that's it. You are ready to go with SQLite. You can grab some OpenStreetMap featureless data from geofabrique.de. It's a small company located in Karlsruhe, Germany, and they have some really nice OpenStreetMap products there, or data, I should say. So go to Maps and Data, and then Downloads, and right here to the download server, and then find the region that you're working with. I am working in North Carolina in the US, so let's go here. All right, and there's my data that I need. Right here under commonly used formats, north-carolina-latest.osm.pbf. So click on that to download. I already have it downloaded, so I don't need to do it again. So after you download your PBF file, you can keep all of your OSM files in one folder. If you work with those a lot, I recommend keeping them in the same place. And so this is the folder I'm working for in WebDev. And this is how your file downloads from GeoFabrique. So what we need to do is change the file extension for use in the database. So you're going to take out the .osm and any version number and just have it .pbf. So north-carolina-latest.pbf. And that's all you have to do. You can directly slide this one into QGIS and work with it from there, but we're going to put it into the database. Now you're going to pull up QGIS and also bring up your shell for your OSGEO4W Shell. If you don't know where to find it, just go on your search bar right down here and type in OSGEO and it'll probably pop right up. All right, so I navigated to the folder that I'm working in, and now I'm going to enter the command line for creating the database and then putting the PBF file into that database. So now we need to think of a name for our database, and I'm going to call mine ncmap.db. And then now you want to enter the PBF file name. So that will be North Carolina latest.pbf. All right, so that is it. So just give everything a quick proofread. All right, that looks good. So I'm going to hit enter. And this could take a while. This could take several minutes, probably 2.5 to 3 minutes, depending on how big the file is. And this file is pretty big. It has lines, polygons, and shapes and points for the state of North Carolina, but without the feature stuff. So while this is populating, this is a good time to go get yourself a drink or take a walk around the block. Okay, so we can see that everything is finished. You'll know it's finished. It'll have done, and then the line will return. So let's do a quick dir, and let's see everything in the folder. All right, so there's our database that was created. So we know that's working good. Now we're going to go into QGIS and open the database. If you don't have a project created in QGIS, go ahead and create one and save it. Then you're going to go over to Layer and then Add Layer, SPATIALITE Layer, or Control-Shift-L. Now we're going to find the database we created and connect to it. So New, there it is, ncmap, Connect. Now these are all of the files in the database. So we have lines, multi-strings, multi-polygons, and other relations. I don't need points because if I remember correctly, those are centerline points for roads. So I'm just going to grab the ones I need. And these colors are generated randomly by QGIS, so you can edit those. But let me zoom in so you can get an idea of what this featureless OpenStreetMap data looks like. All right, so if you want to change the line color, you can go here. Let's see, let's think of something a little bit more punchy. Okay, well, that's not much better, but anyway, you can play around with this as much as you like. Anyway, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please come back for more, and thanks for stopping by.